Okay, you guys, it's winter time. This is the best time of year to be clearing brush. I always get people that call me in August, September, in the middle of summer, fall. Horrible time of year to clear brush. This is the time of year to clear brush, winter. It's January right now, Northern California. It's raining today. It's gonna start raining harder later, but I'm gonna get out and clear some brush. So I was gonna show you how to use a cutter Mattock. This is a 2.5 pound head. And I'm gonna show you how I get this out by the roots. This is a tan oak, Lithocarpus densiflorus. It's got a good root system. These have strong root systems when they get this big. So it's gonna be probably a little bit challenging. They're easier if you get them out when they're little. But I'm gonna show you I can do it like this. What I do first, the first thing I do is, like when I'm clearing brush, this thing's all, all over the place. First thing I do is I get in, organize it, get all the brush away. I'll put my leg over it like that. And then what I do is I aim, here's the trunk of it right here. And I don't try to cut it off at the ground. What I do is I try to cut it below the ground a little bit. So I aim with the blade, instead of aiming right here and cutting it off, I want to get it out by the roots, because that's the way I clear brush. I get stuff out by the roots. That's the best way. If you cut it off, it can come back with suckers. But if you want to get rid of this thing, you got to get it out by the roots. So I'm showing you how to get it out by the roots. So I aim about 2 inches away from the actual trunk, and I penetrate the ground a little bit underneath it, and try to get if I get the upper root ball out, even the upper root, it won't come back. But you don't have to get like the tap root all the way down. I'm talking, if you just get on something this big, if you get what's about 2 or 3 inches under the ground, that initial trunk or cortex, if you get that out, this thing's not coming back. If you aim just right, I might get this out. I might get it out in a couple pops. Look at that, 2 pops with a 2.5 pound cutter Mattock. Okay, this is going in the burn pile. Look, that was 2 whacks. This thing is lighter and easier to use than the 5 pound head. If you want to use the 5 pound head, swing it all day long, go for it. Now you notice I didn't bear down, and I don't use it and then go like that. You're gonna destroy the head. It's about cutting. Once you cut and release the material. See this cortex right here? I forget, it's the root ball. This is below the root crown, but it's like a big ball right here. I got that out. That taproot that's down in there, it's not going to produce anything. The only kind of tree around here that's so vivacious that would come back from a taproot would be the bay. Those things are hard to kill. And a bay that was this big is twice as hard to get out. Their root balls are bigger. Bays are super hard to get out. That's a tan oak. That wasn't too bad. I could probably even take this one out. But I was just showing you guys how easy it is. And that's a cutter Mattock. And when I'm doing bigger stuff, and I run into a root that's going this way, and this blade isn't optimal for cutting it, I just flip it. Now I got a tool that can cut on this plane. Whack, and cut a root off. Like right here. A little root. So, yeah, you can work on days like this when it's raining. This is the best time of year to get this kind of work done. And so there's no excuses. And then when summertime comes, you can do funner things like go to the swimming hole. And then in the summer, all you got to do is weed whack the areas that you've cleared brush in. And if you whack the weeds before they get tall, if you whack the invasive species and before they seed, if you stay on top of it, it's easy. It's easy to make your property fire safe if you stay on top of it. If you weed whack when the French broom is this tall, you can do an acre in 2 hours, plus or minus. You can do an acre in 2 hours. So if you do that 3 times a year at the spring, summer, and the middle of summer, and then by the middle of summer, if it's dry, the brush won't come back, and you'll have it under control. And it's not like you have to do it all the time. You do it like once every 2 months. For 2 hours, you can clear an acre. with a weed whacker. Once you get rid of all the brush, burn it, and you leave good stuff. Like maybe I want to leave this tan oak right here. There's a tan oak right over here to my right. Maybe I want to leave it. So I want to leave this coffee berry bush for privacy. But I'm going to take out all the French broom, all the Scotch broom, all the poison oak, all the honeysuckle that grows around here that's invasive, that gets all over everything. This stuff. It's all over the place. Here comes the ambulance. They're probably going to an accident. It's raining, so it's probably a vehicle accident most likely, but it might not be, who knows.